Good evening. Today we just received our package from Amazon.com. Yeti Ultimate USB Professional Microphone. I will be using this Yeti for my video blog. I'm so excited to show you guys about our findings and our review for this microphone. Okay, so you can see upon opening the box, you will see a cable on it. Okay, it's composed of cables, instruction manuals, what's inside. Of course, this is the Yeti Yeti microphone. This is a well-known microphone that is being used by most of the video bloggers in YouTube. So here we are. This is the Yeti microphone. As you can see, there are lots of options on this video in this microphone. We will try to show you the difference of this patterns. You will later try it out. Okay. From now on, this is just the unboxing video of the Yeti microphone. Okay. It's a nice microphone with a mute, with volume, and on its back there's gain and a different options of the microphone. It's a bit heavy, so if you're trying to make this microphone as your portable microphone, I don't think it will be a good idea because it's a bit heavy. Okay. On our next video, we will try using this microphone, and we will show you the difference on recording a video without using a Yeti microphone. Hope you like it, guys.